Hey guys, this is Jeff with Maker's Niche. Today I'm going to be working on a diorama of The Mandalorian from Season 1, Episode 6, Prison Break. I love the hallways and just the whole cinematic view of that. So I'm going to do a hallway. I'm going to use a piece of black acrylic, shiny for the base. Do some columns, some beams. I want to give it this telescoping view, so it looks like it's longer than it is. And let's get started to modeling. So I'll go to my trusty SketchUp here. Very familiar with the program, so just use it when I need to. I've already got all the modeling done. As you can see, this is generally what the hallway looks like. I've compressed the doors a little bit into ovals. They're circles in the show, but I only have so much room to work with. But you can see I left the columns and the beams open with holes, so LED strip lighting can be put into there. And these are just little pieces of the model that have to be broken up because of the size of my printing bed. As the base is a shiny acrylic, I don't have to print that. I'm just going to glue to it. The door and everything is a pretty good representation of what you see on the show. Ceiling panels with openings for lighting, and openings in the door themselves for lighting. Each piece here is a separate piece that will get its own print and print time. It's about 55 pieces here that's got to be printed and put together. So let's get to printing. So I didn't put up any cameras or anything to document the recording. Most of it was through the night, over several days. But here you see the finished columns and beams all laid out and ready to assemble. So for a little bit of scale, you can see this is a 6-inch Black Series Mandalorian figurine. And here I'm starting to put the beams and the columns together to make the corridor structure itself. And the black acrylic still has this protective coating on it. I don't want to scratch it up, but you can see it's starting to come together, assembled here. Here's the ceilings finished printing and installed into place. They snapped in exactly as designed. And some here the walls are going up and going together. I was really pleased with the way this came out. It went together exactly as it was in the 3D program. Most of it's all together. Starting to play with the lighting here with the spotlight. You can see I've just about ready to wrap it up and get to some painting and pulling this protective film off of the acrylic. And you can see how shiny it is. It's really the look I was going for. The shiny floor reflecting everything. And time to get on with some lighting. So I wanted to use some LED strip lighting. It was the way I had designed the model itself. As you can see, I've got holes put into the print and supports for the strip lighting to go there. I used this masking tape so there wasn't any bleed over between the two different colors of the light I want. The panels, the ceiling panels I want white, and out of the columns and beams I want red. So around the doors I did the LEDs facing outwards, and I'll use a sheet of paper to diffuse that back into the doors, which I'll show you here in a minute. But you can see both sides are done up that way, and the beams and the columns all have the strips in them. So here you can see with the lights turned on, I've used a white strip light LED here for the roof panels, and just an LED flashlight for the spotlight onto the top of the figure. But this 11 by 17 paper really reflects good back into the door, as you can see. And with that, it's time to see it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took a lot of time engineering and printing and putting together, but I think the results are really awesome. Came together really good. Smash the like button, hit subscribe to see more videos. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.